Hey, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and today, I want to talk to you about the what I like to call the McDonald's or the microwave mentality that we all so often have in business. What happened? What's sparking this video is that the other day in a Facebook group that I have, one of the members she posted something, and it was basically like, "I finally made a sale," and I was thinking to myself, finally? Like, how long has it been? I mean, the program has only been open for like 2 months and you couldn't have been in for more than a month. And I'm like, finally? Really? Like, is that what it's come to? That it worst case scenario in this particular instance, it took you, 4 weeks to make a sale. Somebody else did all of the setup for you. Somebody else, created all the products. Somebody else did all the sales pages, and the only reason it even took you the extra couple of weeks is because there was a backlog as far as sending traffic, and your response is finally. Like, and maybe that's not how she meant it, but I would suggest that is how so many of us are today. And I even have to find myself checking myself sometimes when I get like that. But what kind of society has this become where, when you order your thingy at McDonald's, you literally drive 10 feet and then boom, it's waiting for you in under 60 seconds. And if you stick something in the microwave, boom, it's ready for you in 60 seconds. And we want to apply the same mentality to business, and my God, it does not work that way. The problem, I think, and look, part of the reason for the problem, especially in the internet world, is that that's how things are marketed, and I'm as guilty as anybody. But when we look at getting into businesses and we're thinking in terms of days and weeks and not months and years, then there's a problem there. There's a problem there. The other day, I saw an offer that I wanted to promote to my list, and I promoted to my list. I loaded up about 3 emails, and they went out to my list over the course of like 2.5, 3 days, and I ended up making like $1,000 in commissions from like 15 minutes of work. And somebody was like, "Devon, I want to do that. Tell me how you did that." Well, I did that because I've been building my list for years. That's how I did it. A long time ago, I started building my list, and my list started off at 0, and then it got to 100, and then it got to 1,000. And I would mail my list when it was at 1,000 people, and nobody bought shit. But I kept going. But for you to be in something for 5 weeks, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Is 5 weeks a long time to see some results? Is that, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. You tell me. But I don't know. I'm kind of throwing this out there just to ask you to look at yourself and to ask yourself if you are thinking about this in terms of days and weeks, or if you're thinking about this in terms of months and years. Because if you're thinking about it in terms of days and weeks, which there's a good chance you are, as far as how long it should take you to get results and get rich, then you're going to be disappointed a lot. Like, you're going to be totally disappointed. So, I don't know. With that, that's all I got. I don't want to keep rambling because I think I've made my point. Let me know your thoughts. Just let me know your thoughts. Like this video, comment on it, share it. Did you want to say something, Tara?
No.
Okay. Yeah, that's.
I'm silently giggling.
Yeah, that's all I got. 5 weeks. Finally, after 5 weeks, like, you didn't even do nothing. You just paid us $35 and then ordered some traffic, and then you just sat on your butt. What? All right, I'm going. Like this video, comment on it, share it, and all the rest of that stuff. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.